Hey there, crafty friends. Wendy Lee here, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and I want to welcome you to my crafting corner. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm a passionate paper crafter and the creator of the Cultivated Creativity Program, my monthly DIY paper crafting kit designed to help you create stunning projects with ease and joy. Whether you're a seasoned stamper or just getting started, this program is your ticket to exploring new techniques, discovering beautiful designs, and experiencing the simple pleasure of creating something with your hands. Love that. For only $39.99 a month, you'll receive supplies for 4 cards and one special not a card project. Detailed instructions and guidance to make your crafting experience stress-free, and a beautifully curated kit that feels like a gift to yourself every single month. But that's not all. Each kit centers around a featured stamp set, which you can choose to add on or use what you already have. It's about giving you that flexibility and making crafting fun. This month, I'm excited to share that we are featuring the Sunrise Sailing Stamp Set and Hybrid Embossing Folder. Now, hybrid embossing folders do come with the coordinating dies as well. So this is a fantastic bundle. Now, here's a little sneak peek of what you'll be creating in this month's kit. We're working with 4 beautifully designed cards that highlight the charm of this stamp set, and the Not a Card project that's perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. Plus, I'm including a few fun techniques, easy fun folds, and that extra wow factor in your creations. Let's take a peek, shall we? So this first one is a fun fold. I'm not going to show you the insides. We do decorate the insides to go along with the outside because I think that's really fun and exciting and adds a special touch to your projects. But I'm not going to show you those. That is for our guests only. Then we've got a few little techniques going on. Here is our not a card. Ooh. And another fun, cute. And last but not least, this one here, also a fun fold. So I truly believe that crafting is more than just making pretty things. It's about taking time for yourself, finding joy in the process, and connecting with a community of fellow crafters who inspire and support each other. If you're ready to make your year the most creative yet, I'd love for you to join the Cultivated Creativity Program. Registration for this month's kits closes on July 20th, so don't wait. You can find all the details and sign up using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the program and craft together. Until next time, keep creating and spreading joy. Bye for now.